Stop tossing out your fruit scraps. Transform them into something surprising instead. Fermentation isn't just for your kombucha, it's the secret behind DIY fruit and veggie cigarettes. First up, pick your produce. Fruits like apples or veggies like carrots work best. Chop them up and let them ferment in a mix of water and sugar. This process breaks down the natural sugars, turning them into natural alcohol. Next, dry those fermented pieces until they're crisp. The drying process is crucial. It's what gives the final product that smokable texture. Once dry, these pieces can be rolled into cigarette papers. But wait, there's more. The fermentation not only alters the texture, but also impacts the flavor and burn quality. You might be surprised at how smooth and aromatic these natural cigarettes can be. And there you have it, a quirky DIY way to transform your kitchen scraps into a unique smoking experience. Curious to try it out? Let us know in the comments. Come to join Alam Leja Bumi Immaculata movement.